Hi there, I'm Jen, and I created the Holistic Wellness course and community to help you take control of your health naturally. I want to do this without popping toxic pills or trying the new, latest, greatest quick fix or listening to people who do not have your best interest at heart. So, a little bit about me. I'm the founder of Better Smarter Health, where I have spent years researching and sharing natural solutions that the mainstream often conveniently overlooks. I'm currently studying to become a licensed homeopath, and I have been able to live just about 20 years medication free, despite being told that I would need prescriptions for the rest of my life. Now I help others do the research and create lasting wellness through simple, practical strategies that are sustainable. You're here at a really special time. This is the founding members price of just $47 for lifetime access. So in the future, the price may increase or we may even shift to a subscription. But if you join now, you will keep your lifetime access at no extra cost. I'm keeping the community pretty small in the early stages so that I can give everyone more attention. And I would love it for you to be one of those first. So as you can see right here, this is your member dashboard. And the moment you join, you are going to have access to everything that you see here. Right here, you can see the course video lessons. They are short. They're all going to have a video that goes along with them to make sure that you're understanding in the best way that you learn. You're going to have practical trainings on how to boost energy, reduce stress, how to support your immune system, and build healthy habits that are going to last you a lifetime. So you can watch them anytime from your phone or computer, and that's going to make it really convenient. In each lesson, you'll also get the supporting resources that you need. You're going to have checklists, printable guides, and natural remedy references. And I have some of those to share with you. You can immediately put your training into action. And that way, you always have the right tools when you need them. So as we are talking about how to detox, you're going to get this printout of ingredients to avoid and things that you actually should be buying. So you're going to get the information right when you need it. What do we have here? This is going to walk you through, right? Because again, this is a holistic idea. So you really have to get your mind connected with your body, and this course is going to help you do that. Let's see some other things. Let's see, we have a checklist here. So I am trying to make this as easy as possible for you. I know that you have a busy life, you have other things to do, and you just want to feel better. And that's what this is all about. So as you can see right here, this is a screenshot of the private Facebook community. And here members share wins. They can ask me questions. They can ask each other questions, support each other. It's just a really positive, encouraging space. And you will not feel alone. And you're going to be really glad that you're making like-minded friends in this group. So that's what's waiting for you inside. For a one-time payment of $47, you get lifetime access to all of the lessons, all of the resources, any seasonal updates, any updates in the Facebook group, and of course, the amazing community that you're going to find there also. So click the button below to join us today. I can't wait to welcome you inside. Be well.